Acknowledging the hard work and selfless dedication of frontline COVID-19 warriors, Sri Lambor Malyang, local MLA and MDC of Nongkram constituency and chairman of the State Planning Board, today facilitated ASHAs and Anganwadi workers of Nongkram constituency in a function held at Salem Secondary School, Lightgor. 63 ASHAs and 80 Anganwadi workers were facilitated with a memento and a cash incentive of Rs 3,000 and Rs 2,000 respectively. Speaking on the occasion, Sri Lambor Malyang lauded the ASHAs and Anganwadi workers for performing their duties with dedication and without fear amidst the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic, appreciating the exemplary efforts in reaching out to the society and providing individualized training to the people at the grassroots level on the do's and don'ts of the tackling the COVID-19 virus. He said that they have made an immense contribution to the government's ongoing battle against an enemy without a face, informing that the facilitation was a small gesture to ensure that their efforts do not go unnoticed. Sri Malyang urged the ASHAs and Anganwadi workers to keep up with their good work. He also informed that he has taken up the issue of revising the remuneration of ASHAs and Anganwadi workers of the state with the central government and is awaiting a response. On the occasion, Sri Banjop Langling Domaulong, a volunteer who has been dispensing his duties for 5 months without break at the Smith Quarantine Center, was also facilitated. A report on the activities and initiatives taken by the local MLA and MDC of the Nongkram constituency since the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic was also read out. Others who spoke on the occasion were Block Development Officer of Milliam CNRD Block, Sri Peter T. Pasa, Block Development Officer of the Maurangkening CNRD Block, Sri Ronnie Walang, and additional DHMO Dr. Mrs. E. Lingdong.